everybody, how you doing? Good morning. We are out here at Saguaro Lake today, and I'm going to do some fishing. But I'm also, today's video, we're doing some crayfish fishing. We're going to set some traps up. I have these really cool minnow traps with the extension on it, and I got my information tag on it. So we're going to go ahead and get these set up. And, well, let's get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Alright, so I have these these are just little bait bags. I grabbed this from this was from what was this from? A mushroom pack, or avocados or something like that. You can, basically this is something I got from the produce area to hold my bait. I'm going to be using a combination. We got some dried cat food, and I also have a little bit of the tail of a bass. I'm going to be using most of the bass today for catfish fishing. But we got this little combo here. I'm going to drop it in. I have this wire here, and then I take the bait and I just take the bag and I feed it through the netting. Feed that through there like that. Feed that through there like this. Crimp it over. So see, now it hovers inside there. Put the trap on. Okay, so then what we do is I have this rope. It's a camouflage rope. I just picked this twine up. I got it at Walmart. You know, it was like $3 for 50 feet, or $4 for 50 feet, and I cut it right in half. So each section is 25 feet long. Then what we do is get the knot out of it. And I'm approximately in 14 feet of water right now. It looks like I have some motion and some shad and some other fish swimming around under me here, but it's pretty much, it looks like a beachy bottom. So then we would take this. And how I did this, since the extension, I put a little rope on the side here, and so then what we do is we take the clip, then I have a little cantilever clip on this side, take the clip and I clip it to this side here, then I this clip here, and so when you throw it down, it levels itself off. See how it levels it off like that? So then we have the bait, we have this. We drop it down. Again, we're in about 14 feet of water. And then I have my buoy. And I'm in a cove over here. Hopefully, I mean, it's the middle of the weekday, so I don't think we'll get too much traffic. Then I just throw my buoy in the water. And we're good to go. Let's see if the traps catch something today. Alright guys, we have had the traps now soaking for about 3 hours. So we're going to go ahead and see what they've done. Alright, let's see what we got. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's disappointing. I've heard nothing but good things here in Arizona, and that's disappointing. Nothing. I don't feel optimistic about this one, obviously. Nope, nothing on this one either. Not even fish, minnows, nothing. Guys, I was hoping this was going to be a productive crayfish video. I mean, but you can see, obviously, sometimes you don't catch everything. So sometimes, you know what? You got to post the fails with the wins. I'm disappointed though, because I thought, from what I've done research, that there are crayfish here. But needless to say, I didn't find them. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it off here, everybody. This is Junkyard out here at Saguaro Lake. Needless to say, keep fishing.